What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to Music with Mr. Nick. My name is Mr. Nick, and today we are tuning our ukuleles. Alright, so the things you'll need for today's lesson on tuning your ukulele are your ukulele and some type of digital tuner, just like this guy. I'll go over a couple different options like that, but those are the only two things that we need right now to get started. If you don't have a digital tuner, do not worry. There's actually some free apps that you can download out there on your iPad, on your phone, on your mom's phone, on your dad's computer, whatever it is. Get permission and see if you can download that app for free. Just type in tuner app and there's a bunch of them out there. One of my favorite is called Guitar Tuna, like a tuna fish. Is pretty cool, but it's free and it gets the job done. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright, so on our ukulele here, we have 4 strings, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. If yours has 3, you're missing a string. If it's got 5, I don't know what you got, maybe a banjo. But typical ukuleles have 4 strings, okay? Now each string has a specific note name, and these notes are musical notes in our musical alphabet. So from the top down, okay, we're gonna talk from the top of the ukulele going down from your point of view. So if you're looking down at your ukulele, your top string is gonna be tuned to the letter G. Your second string is gonna be tuned to the letter C. Your third string is E. And your last string, the bottom string, is A, okay? I'm gonna put it right up here. Boom, there we go. G, C, E, A. That's sort of random, but I got a cool saying to help you remember the order, okay? So check it out. So we know it's G, C, E, A. Now, check this out. Goats can eat anything. Pretty much, right? I don't know if any of you have goats out there, but they can pretty much eat anything. So if you can remember, goats can eat anything, you can remember the notes of how to tune your ukulele, okay? All right, so let's jump in and get to tuning, all right? So we got our digital tuner right here. I got mine, and I'm just gonna turn it, well, it's already on, and then I'm just gonna clamp it onto the top of my ukulele right here, just like that. And I'm gonna make it so you guys can see the screen right here. Typically when you do it, you would kind of turn it so you can see it, but I'm gonna have it so you guys can see what I'm doing as well. So there we go. Alright, so how this works is we're going to hit each string one by one, and we're going to see what note we're at, and then there's going to be a little bar that tells us how sharp or flat we typically are, and our goal is to get the right note, and we're going to line on that little needle up right in the middle, okay? You'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute. So, top string, and for the record, my ukulele is not tuned. Oh yeah, sounds great, right? Alright, so we're going to tune this together. So we're going to start at the top string, and if you guys remember, the top string is what? G. If you said G, you're correct. If you did not say G, guess again, it's G. So here we go. So we're going to tune it to G. So we're going to just zoom in here, and I'm going to hit my top string, and then, alright, so right now I have F. So if we're thinking about our musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, well, G's right after F, right? So I'm gonna tighten my top string till I go up to G. So check it out. Here, going up. I have F sharp right here, which means I'm a step above F. So we're gonna keep going. Sharp is up, flat is down. We'll explain that more later. There we go. So I clicked over to G. Then I'm gonna line it up right in the middle. Boom. There we go. All right, our top string is tuned. Easy, right? Let's move on to the next one. So the next note, or the next string, is C, goats can. So C, we're gonna hit that next string right there, see what we got. Oh, all right, we're close. There's C, so I'm gonna tighten it. So it's right in the middle. Boom, there we go. And I'm just gonna keep going on. So here's my third string. Ooh, that one's way off. So that one says D. We want to get to E, right? And again, in our musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E. E is our next one. So we're going to tighten this so we get up to E. There we go. It's going to go to D sharp here. And you keep tightening it. There's E. Let's get it right in the middle. Boom, there we go. And last but not least, we're going for A. So the bottom string is A. Ooh, it's A, but it's pretty flat, so I'm going to tighten that. There we go. Alright, so it's important to note that as you go over the ukulele, your tuning knobs, you turn them this way to tighten them. But when you get to the other side, you have to turn them the opposite way, kind of over to tighten them, okay? So it's kind of backwards because it's on the other side of your ukulele, all right? So we should have G, C, E, A, and it should sound like this. All right, pretty darn close. So I'm gonna fine tune it, make sure we're still in tune. Sometimes it takes a few times, you guys, especially if your ukulele is new, your strings are stretching out, and you might need to tune it a few times. There you go. See, we're off again just a little bit. There you go. All right, so your ukulele should sound like this. All right, sounds good. All right, guys, so that is it for today. That was pretty easy, right? Not too bad, just 4 strings. Again, we learned that it's G, C, E, A, the order of our strings right here. We used our digital tuner right here. Any of those apps that you downloaded work the same way, so go ahead and pause this video. You can rewind it, you could fast forward, you could watch it till you get it. And if you guys enjoyed today's video and you want to see more, give it a like and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Again, thanks for tuning in. My name's Nick. That was fun. I'll see you guys soon.